Thank you, Madam Speaker. The Acting Prime Minister, Leader of Opposition. I rise to respond to the question raised by the Honourable Member, and I must thank Honourable Namugo for the question. The 11th Commonwealth Youth Forum was held in London from 16 to 18 April 2018. Powering our common future was the young people's response to the Commonwealth Heads of Government meeting team towards a common future, which was the theme, reaffirming the powerful potential of young people across the Commonwealth in devising solutions for a common, more prosperous, secure, sustainable, and fairer future. The Commonwealth Youth Forum provided an opportunity for young people of the Commonwealth to build cross-cultural connection and networks, debate the challenge facing our young people, and agree youth-led initiatives to influence decision makers and ensure young people have a voice in their future. The forum allowed young people to voice their concern as represented from the Pacific in global discussion towards achieving SDGs. This was therefore a potential avenue where our young people's voice could be recognized and opportunities attracted to the Pacific. Madam Speaker, with the significance of this event, my ministry managed to send 3 youths. The invitation was circulated through the ministry divisions and their networks, and I was determined that those who were selected would reflect our diversity. The youth age should be aged between 15 and 35 years old. He is a Fijian citizen with a valid Fijian passport. However, the successful applicant should be involved in the development of youth in Fiji. He or she needs to be a good character. The significance of applicant will be required to provide his medical certificate and a police clearance, sound knowledge of youth and sports development challenges and practice. So the names were then screened and recommended to the Commonwealth Secretariat based in London. The applicants who met the Commonwealth definition of youth being under 30 years of age, which is the Commonwealth definition, were approved and comprised of 2 females and 1 male attended the forum. Our assistance by the ministry was to cover the airfares, visas, meals and accommodation. Thank you for the opportunity, Madam Speaker.
Thank you.